Introduction to Human Life. Varieties in human life. The images here show three different environments. The people in these images seem to live different kinds of life. That is why these images appear different. Classification of human life. When we study the life of people in an area, we consider their occupations, clothing, food habits, festivals, houses, language, and folk arts, and so on. All these factors change according to the conditions in their natural surroundings. That is why there is a variety in the way people live. Human life can be broadly classified into three categories: human life in the urban areas, human life in the rural areas, human life in the Adivasi areas. Let's see these three categories one by one. Life in the urban area. People in cities live a modern life. Trade and service are the main occupations. As there is a shortage of space in cities, people live in multi-storied buildings. Many people travel either on two-wheelers or by four-wheeler vehicles. City life is hectic. Men wear a shirt and trousers. Women usually wear a sari or salwar kameez. Their diet mainly consists of chapati, vegetables, rice, dal, chutney, and so on. People from several regions come to cities for jobs or business, and the food habits of their regions influence the food habits of people in cities. There are many hotels and restaurants in cities where dishes like dosa, idli, pizza, and burger are available. People in cities do their shopping in big shops, malls, etc. For entertainment, they watch movies, plays, or circus shows. On holidays, they visit amusement parks and other tourist centers. People from different regions live together in cities. Therefore, we find a variety in the languages, festivals, and customs in cities. Life in the rural area. The majority of the people in rural areas are engaged in agriculture. Therefore, their life is greatly influenced by agriculture. Houses in rural areas are usually single-storied with a flat or a sloping tiled roof. These houses are built with wood, stone, bricks, etc. Most of the houses here have a yard. Men wear pajamas, shirt, trousers, dhoti, etc. Women wear 9-yard or 5-yard saris. The houses, clothing, and customs of people in rural areas are also changing due to modernization and urbanization. Their diet consists mainly of bhakri or chapati, vegetables, dal, onion, chutney, pitle, etc. Typical sweet dishes like gulpoli, puranpoli, modak, and kheer are prepared for festivals. Rural life is closely linked with agriculture. Hence, many fairs and festivals are celebrated at harvest time. Once the people get some relief from their agricultural tasks, they get engrossed in folk arts, plays, folk music, bhajans, and kirtans. Life of the Adivasis. In some areas, certain communities have been living for ages. Their life depends entirely on nature. For their needs, they use things available in nature. They have their own dialect. These people are known as Adivasis. Adivasi settlements are generally seen in forests and remote areas. Their houses are made of grass, branches of trees, leaves, bamboo mats, etc. Their meals consist of fruits, roots and bulbs, jowar or bajra, bhakri and dal. On festival days, men and women dance and sing songs, wearing their traditional dress and ornaments. Bhil, Koraku, Gond, Katkari, Warli and Kolam are some of major Adivasi communities in our state. Greater Mumbai. We find that the life of people in Mumbai metropolis is modern. It is seen to be influenced by the Western culture. Information about the major occupations, houses, lifestyle, etc. of the people of the city is given through images. People of several religions and sects, speaking various languages and following different occupations, live in Mumbai. That is why we see a great variety in the feasts and festivals celebrated here. The modern lifestyle of Mumbai has had an influence on the plans and construction of houses. As there is a shortage of space in Mumbai, people live in multi-storied buildings. Some people have to live in hutments. The biggest slum in Mumbai is at Dharavi. People here wear clothes of different styles. People often watch movies and plays or go shopping in big markets. The Kolis live in the coastal area in large numbers. They are known for their Koli songs, Koli dances, and their traditional dress. Every year, they begin their traditional occupation of fishing after worshipping the sea on Narali Purnima Day.